Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make agé-nasu no omiso shiru. It's eggplant miso soup, but it's not just that. It's deep fried eggplant miso soup. Eggplant miso soup is delicious already. But once you know this deep fried eggplant miso soup, you can never go back to the regular one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this agé-nasu no omiso shiru, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some eggplant, it's about 300 grams. 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 4 tablespoons of miso paste, any miso you like. And for the nice color and the flavor, some green onion, optional. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Into half, put them together. Then into slices. Put in a small bowl. And set aside. Eggplant. Cut the stem off and remove this. Into bite-sized pieces. Same for the rest. Heat up some vegetable oil in the pot over high heat and let's fry the eggplant. And just fry them until it's slightly browned. Looks good, so let's take them out. The heat is on until you take them all out. All out, then heat off. you pour the oil out. 4 cups of water, the soup stock, and the eggplant into the same pot. 2 and 4 cups. The soup stock and the eggplant. Turn the heat on and just heat it up. Once it's hot, let's put the miso using this miso strainer. This is to make sure there is no lumpy miso in your soup bowl. Miso in the strainer, dunk it and push it out. Completely dissolved. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. Put some green onion if you like. And揚げなすのお味噌汁 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It melts in your mouth. Let's have some soup too. You can sip it straight from the bowl. Very flavorful, rich, and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 揚げなすのお味噌汁 goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about sweet chili shoyu chicken for the main? きゅうりとわかめのサラダ for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.